Welcome. Now that we have installed Python and we have also downloaded the community version of PyCharm, we also downloaded PyCharm professional version, but we are not going to use professional version because we don't have to pay any money if we use the community version, and community version is much more sufficient for Python development. We could use any other editor like Visual Studio Code for Python development. But PyCharm is one of the popular editor in the community for Python development. Having said that, go to your downloads folder and double click on your exe file for PyCharm or click on this. So it's going to open the installer for PyCharm. Click on yes, give it a second, then click on next, next. If you want, you can create a desktop shortcut. I will click on .py association so that editor will recognize the .py the Python files. Click on next and click on install. It's going to do the installation process, which will take few seconds. So after that, we can open PyCharm and start with our Python development. So let the installation continue. So let's check. So now our installation is completed and we get this screen. Click on Run PyCharm Community Edition and click on Finish. It is going to open the PyCharm editor. So let's wait. So once it has opened the PyCharm editor, it is going to do the loading of certain modules. So click on Trust and Trust Project. If you are using PyCharm for the first time, you can open it with, you will get certain options to select. Like you can say you don't want to do anything and go with the default options. As I have been already using PyCharm, so it is giving option. I'm going to click here and say new project, and I'm going to go with everything as basics, and I'm not going to do anything. It's going to automatically pick everything and create project, and I'm going to say this window. If you're using PyCharm for the first time, you can also do the same thing. Click on file, new project, and choose everything default. It's going to pick up the Python interpreter automatically from your system, and after that it is going to set up the project for you. It will set up the Python virtual environment, and you don't have to do anything apart from this. So this is it for this video. In the next video we will start by writing our first Python program.